So yeah, so on days like today, it's a little bit scary. We got our millennial investment expert in Chase Wilsey in studio here. Chase, I got to ask you.
Look at him.
Yeah.
You fight an uphill battle anyway, getting your friends to invest money. On days like this, it's got to be even harder because the most seasoned of investor, when the pendulum swings in the fear direction like it has today, it's a tough day.
You know, and we tell people today's a great day.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at
It's a great day.
See?
Everything's on sale basically. You know?
Oh yeah, mark down, move now.
Yeah, and you know the market has just been acting so crazy lately. And you know, Jamie Dimon was on CNBC this morning. And for those who don't know, Jamie Dimon is CEO of J.P. Morgan Chase.
We're coming to America.
Didn't he say that guy in the accident, the rollover?
Jamie Dimon.
Jamie Dimon.
Yeah, and he's the head of a major bank, and he can track the checking accounts, the credit card accounts for most people. And he says people are saving money, and then what are they doing? They're going and spending money. I don't see what's wrong with this underlying economy. So the market is not trading off the economy right now, which is not making any sense.
Well, it's exactly right, because this is why it's not the same as it was back in 2009, because we're not anywhere close to recession mode here.
No.
Interest rates are low and employment's good. Are you drinking a...
I just got thirsty.
All right. Chris, do you have that chart that I made yesterday?
Which one now?
The one that shows you, this gives you perspective. This is what I want to call perspective, because see where we were back in 2009?
Yeah.
This is where we are today. Okay, that's perspective. Now, that other dip you see was back in October, or back in August. Remember that? So that should tell you. Okay, by the way, even as bad as it is right now, if you draw a line over, we're still way higher than we were before the crash of 2008, 2009.
Yes, we are.
So there's your 50,000. Enough said. I tweeted that out to 40,000 people with the tagline, "Enough said."
Enough said.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can borrow that, by the way, Chase.
I like that.
You should take that with you.
Yeah, well, I mean, the big thing to look at is not where you're going to be next week, next month, and oh gosh, you know, we're down 20%. Oh my gosh, things are going crazy, but where we're going to be 5-10 years from now.
Right.
And
so is that what you tell? Is it a millennial sort of beating the drums for millennials to invest? Is that sort of what you tell those guys? Is it, look, this is not about today, this is about tomorrow?
Exactly, and I mean, we always talk about time horizon and stuff, and you know, and even for elderly people who are looking at retiring 5-10 years.
Wait. Elderly, like what age is elderly?
There we go.
Well,
no, just
I probably have shoes older than some of your investors.
I mean, let's say even 80.
Yeah.
You could easily live another 10, 20 years now with technology.
Yeah.
So I mean, your time horizon is still pretty long. It's a lot longer than you like to think.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
I think it was easy when you got out about 75. That's what you're
Apple was up today. Apple was up 13 cents today.
It was down about 2.5% to start the day, I believe. But
so Apple closes at $95. So you like Apple?
I love Apple. I mean, big reason I like Apple. As I talked about with Tesla, they had no cash. Apple has $200 billion in cash.
Actually, Apple has more money than the U.S. government. If Apple were a country, it would be just a little bit bigger than Denmark.
That's why I suggested
as far as money goes.
Yeah.
Apple for president.
Fun fact about Apple is, you know, with all that cash, the average cost for an iPhone is about $651. They have enough cash to buy every American an iPhone.
Yeah, more than that.
Ironic. So
they got more cash than that. Okay, they got more. Put it this way. Every piece of clothing you see today, whether it's on TV, whether you're traveling around, whether you see it in a magazine, Apple is worth 3 times more than the entire worldwide garment industry.
Yes.
They're worth 7 NFLs.
Take that.
How about that? And they have more cash than the U.S. government. So, but you like Apple. You like
Apple. Cash, and then earnings is another big thing for them. They make a ton of money, and they're very well valued, which is very important to us as well.
That's good stuff. Thanks so much, Chase. Chase Wilsey, millennial investment expert.
Hey,
if your kids don't invest yet, call Wilsey Asset Management. Go to wilseyassetmanagement.com. Call this guy up. Yeah.